This is HRT test 5, question number 63. Now, in the if we take the LCM of the given expression, we get this expression. If we take LCM, we'll get this expression. We have to comment on the roots of this equation. Now, to comment on the roots of this equation, we can assume numerator equals to fx, and then roots of this expression is same as roots of fx, roots of the numerator of this. Now, if we see fx at x equal to pi, that is f pi, we replace x equal to pi here. This is 0 at x equal to pi. This is also 0 at x equal to pi. Only this expression is non-zero. And if we see the sign of this expression at x equal to pi, we have e to the power pi, that's a positive quantity. This is positive. Pi minus e is again positive because pi is 3.14 and e is 2.7, so it's a positive quantity. And this is negative quantity. So sign of fx at x equal to pi is negative, right? And if we replace x equal to e in this expression, at x equal to e, this part is 0, this part is 0, and this part is non-zero. And if we see sign of this part, it is positive, this is positive, negative, negative. So negative into negative is a positive quantity, so the overall sign is positive. And similarly, if we see check sign of f of pi plus c, it will come out to be positive. And our number line on leftmost we have e, and then we have pi, and then we have pi plus c. Now we have just figured out sign of fx at x equal to pi is negative. So graph point will be below x-axis. At x equal to e, sign is positive because fe is positive. F pi is negative, so this is negative here. We have here f of pi plus e is positive again. So graph will cross this horizontal line one time between e and pi, and again between pi to pi plus e. And this expression is a quadratic expression. So this will have two roots. So one root lies between e and pi, another root lies between pi and pi plus e. So if you look at the choices, there are two choices that satisfy this. One root lies between e and pi, and other root, and then and there are two roots between e to pi plus e, right?